Over all the years lecturing universities, I cannot tell you how many times I've heard this by students and professors. I can't believe in Christianity. Well, why? Because you can't prove it scientifically. And then they'll go on to say, and to me this is the dumbest statement, I can't believe anything that can't be proven scientifically. And I say, do you know? You can't even prove your own statement scientifically. Why? Because science is limited. The scientific method is only usable with events that can be repeated over and over and over again. Make observations of that, draw data from it, and then empirically verify an hypothesis. For example, you cannot prove scientifically that if you're a student, that last Friday at 9:03, you had a very, very tough philosophy class exam. You can't prove that scientifically. Why? Because you cannot repeat it in a controlled, and I'm not sure you'd want to, but you can't repeat it in a controlled environment, observation made, data drawn, and hypothesis empirically verified. It's outside the realm of science. For example, another is that, let's say you're a businessman or woman, and last Friday at 11:02, you signed a business deal, a notarized contract for a huge amount of money. Now, you cannot prove that scientifically. You say, why not? Because you cannot repeat it in a controlled environment, observation made, data drawn, and hypothesis empirically verified. It's outside the realm of science. Or, let's say you're a homemaker and try to prove scientifically that last Christmas, December the 25th, you had your family with your 3 children and 3 friends over, and at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you had a delicious turkey dinner with all the dressing, everything. You can't prove that scientifically. Why? Because you cannot repeat last Christmas dinner at 2 o'clock in the afternoon with a very delicious turkey with 3 friends over and your family. You can't repeat that in a controlled environment, observation made, data drawn, and hypothesis empirically verified. The scientific method is very, very limited. It can only be applied to events that can be repeated. Christianity and the resurrection of Christ is outside the realm of scientific investigation.